So next I wanted to ask you was that like, are there any formal books or are there any formal book recommendations that you have for someone who wants to improve their public speaking?
Well, I've never really read a book in the past 1 year, 1.5 year on public speaking specifically.
Okay.
I think that one can only improve by public speaking through practice, constant practice on stage, constant practice speaking, practicing before the speech. So a major component with which many people miss out, many Toastmasters also miss out, is they just come on stage without any practice beforehand. So I think practice is the most important kind of thing, more than reading books. Books can only teach you theory, but ultimately it's the practice that. So I would say more than books, kind of try recording yourself on video and see if your audience will like what you have to say and how you say it. I think that's the best practice there is, more than books. Books can like just list out the theory that these are the points you need to work on, but ultimately you have to see if your audience is connecting with who you are in front of video. So I think that's the best possible application you can have.
Yeah. So if not books, are there any famous personalities online whom we can like watch on YouTube or something so that we can just resonate with how they are handling their stage presence and all?
Yeah, so the most important recommendation I would give you, refer to you to, is the YouTube channel of Toastmasters International. As I said, they have
That is
public
taken.
speeches.
Like, yeah,
Yeah,
that is
yeah.
taken. So apart from the Toastmasters YouTube channel, any specific people? For example, I remember in India, there's this guy Raj Shamani. So he hosts speeches and all, and he comes from Toastmasters. Like he writes it on his bio and all. So like apart from that, any personal recommendations if you have?
Yeah, so I was just about to mention that. So Aaron Beverly is the winner of last year's international speech contest, and he has his own YouTube channel where he posts many lessons on public speaking. His international speech contest is sort of like the go-to Bible for public speaking, so to say.
Okay.
And those 5 to 7 minutes, and he's also been I think a runner-up in in a previous year. So both these speeches are sort of a good starting point to understand the ideal speech structure, the message that needs to come across. So Aaron Beverly is one. Second is Simon Sinek. I really like his public speaking skills particularly. So that's a very good channel to follow. The way he articulates his speech, the way he writes, the way he communicates his message to the audience is commendable, so to say. And one book that I came to mind that has often been translated online to many blogs is Dale Carnegie's Effective Public
Yeah,
Speaking.
effective ways to
So
communicate.
for an yeah, so, if you're an absolute novice and you want to try and understand, it's a good start, but just treat that as a starting point. Uh, then I would also recommend watching many commencement speeches. I think those are really good sources of understanding how to deliver effective public speeches. So, for example, J.K. Rowling's commencement speech at Harvard, I think it was in 2003 or 4, was so touching. You connect with her so much, and the speech structure, she mixes humor with a very formal style of public speaking, which is very good. There's Neil Gaiman's commencement speech, which is also so good, so beautifully structured, such an important message that it's absolutely a must listen. So I would say, yeah. Apart from this, uh, I think I would say these are the top recommendations from me.
Got